trip on the Geirangefjord.
Yeah.
Like you are going first.
First I'm going with a group and filming them, and then we are getting a private tour.
The views today is just unbelievable. Like I knew that it was gonna be nice here, and we're not even in Geiranger, we're just on the way, we're just on the road, and we have to stop like literally every 3 to 5 minutes we take a stop. Oh my god, look at this road. Worth it though. Oh my god!
Camilla is our contact for the collab. So now we find her and then we make a plan for the filming. Hi!
Hey!
I'm the camera guy. I have a collab with you guys where I'm gonna do some filming and drone shots with you guys today.
You need Camilla. I'll call it quickly.
Yeah. Okay, so we are now done with the work. So now we gotta go and pick up Malene and Bea, and then we're gonna give them a private tour in Geiranger. She's a little bit unsure because she has a lot of clothing on her. Okay, Michael, so when we get out there, you make a fast turn and then we throw them in the water.
Yeah, okay,
alright?
cool. Yeah. Got it.
Malene, you can stand up if you want. It will be easier then, won't it?
Yeah.
Ayo.
I'm not finished. Let's get started.
is vlogging.
Yes.
Huh? Good morning. We are now preparing to leave to our next destination. But I'm gonna miss this view because take a look. So this is my mini 2-pack. I can charge the DJI Pocket, GoPro, the drone, the phone, all of these 4 things at once. And I can charge them up several times. And it's actually not that heavy, so it's really good to bring along. I haven't flown the FPV drone that much. So today, let's see if we can get some FPV action up in the mountains. Let's go.
I can hear it now, yeah.
Skål! Beep!
Nice. Super nice.
Yeah, that's been amazing.
It's been
But I'm shocked about how small, like it's not even a city or town, it's a village.
not even that, it's just like a few like
Yeah, it's super tiny.
Well, you do a lot of good.
I found that nothing in life is worthwhile unless you take risks.
You got to bet on you. If you don't take chances in life, you'll never have the life God has for you.
But you must do good the right way.
If you always dreamt and you never did it, it never leaves your mind.
If you think trying is risky, wait till they hand you the bill for not trying.
You will be haunted by that at the age of 70. It's something that's meant for you, that's trying to call to you.
Better to live 30 years full of adventure than 100 years safe in the corner. I'll tell you how risky life is. You're not going to get out alive.
And to you, the one who's watching that still hasn't subscribed, we're doing all of this work, man. Support, subscribe, like, turn on the notifications, and it helps us change our life and give you better entertainment.
See ya!
Subscribe.